चुनावों के लिए।
All right, viewers, getting in some breaking news. A person attempted to throw an object at the CJI during the morning session. Now, the man who was heard shouting slogans was quickly escorted out of the courtroom by security. CJI said, "Do not get distracted by this. We are not distracted by this." Rhythm, I'm coming across to you right now. Our legal editor is joining us on the phone line. Rhythm, over to you.
That's right. The lawyer attempted to throw an object at the Chief Justice of India. And this was done during the morning session. The lawyer was heard shouting slogans. He was escorted out of the courtroom. He tried to create a drama, but it was quickly, for a few minutes, it was quickly sorted out. The Chief Justice of India said, let's go on with the matter and not get distracted. Now we know the name of the lawyer and his picture is also there. I've sent the picture, which shall shortly be with us. Rakesh Kishore is the lawyer who was in black and white robes, and he's been detained. The Chief Justice's court was today scheduled to sit at 11:30 a.m. The Sonam Wangchuk case was on at the court where all the media journalists were present. Some lawyers who were present here said he shouted certain slogans. We are not sure what he shouted. However, remember, this is being given in the backdrop of certain comments that had been made by the Chief Justice of India, which had drawn some criticism a short while ago. However, we don't know what this lawyer said. He's been detained for questioning. It was a drama that was tried to be created by him, but quickly he was escorted out and taken by the security personnel into their particular area within the Supreme Court for questioning. Rakesh, as of now, currently, Rakesh Kishore is in questioning.
You know, also, Ridham, what we saw there was that we saw the CJI remain unfazed by the disruption and also continuing the proceedings calmly.
Well, that is actually something, the way the court is supposed to be functioning, Shivangi, because it's not the first time that some lawyer has walked into the Chief Justice's court. I have seen several times there are lawyers, there are sometimes people who are appearing in people who walk into the Chief Justice's court and try to create drama, try to attract attention, and very silently the security personnel there take them and escort them out. Because no matter what, the Chief Justice has to go on with the work, the court has to continue with the proceedings, and such people, for their 1 minute of drama or 1 minute of infamous fame, cannot let go of the system of the court on a Monday morning, extremely crucial day of the Supreme Court, to let them function and continue.
Yes, Rhythm, stay on with us. I really want you to help our viewers understand, what really happened there. Because from what we understand, the lawyer attempted to throw an object and also go ahead and disrupt the proceedings. So this is what he was trying to do. What exactly was the objective of this lawyer?
So he's been taken in for questioning. I'll once again tell you what really happened inside the courtroom. A lawyer, Rakesh Kishore, attempted to throw certain objects at the bench. Chief Justice of India was sitting there, Justice Gavai. The lawyer was stopped by the security, who reportedly tried to throw an object, and he was shouting certain slogans. Nobody can verify what slogans were being shouted. It's all conjecture right now. Chief Justice of India remained calm and said nothing should be distracting him. He instructed the proceedings to continue, stating he would not be affected by such incidents. All the journalists were at that time present inside the Sonam Wangchuk case. The Supreme Court Chief Justice bench was to be sitting at 11:30 a.m. This is when this incident happened, and there have been certain lawyers who've been now speaking about it. However, the Chief Justice did say these things do not affect me, and the court's proceedings continued. So once again, I'll put it out for our viewers. A lawyer tried to throw a certain object to the Chief Justice of India. This drama unfolded when the bench led by Chief Justice of India was hearing mentioning of cases by lawyers in the morning. According to the sources, the lawyer went near the dais and he attempted to throw something at the judges at the bench. However, security personnel present in the court intervened in the nick of time, escorted the lawyer out. He shouted slogans while walking out. The Chief Justice said, "I'm unfazed and I will not be distracted by such things." Everyone is trying to understand what was it that was shouted by him, because the incident is possibly sparked. And this is what we are trying to put two and two together, but no one is sure, by what the Chief Justice of India had said earlier in a comment related to the restoration of the 7-foot beheaded idol of Lord Vishnu at Khajuraho, when he had said, go and ask the deity itself to do something now. You say you're a staunch devotee of Lord Vishnu, so go and pray now. So this observation by the Chief Justice of India had brought in a lot of, this had criticism across India. Possibly this could be related to it, but we are not stating this because we are not sure about what he stated. He's taken in for questioning. Lawyer Rakesh Kishore has been taken in for questioning by the security that was present in the Supreme Court. Once that questioning is done, we shall know what exactly he had spoken.
Yes, Ridham. So you're saying this incident was possibly sparked by CJI Gavai's comments in a previous case related to the restoration of the 7-foot idol of Lord Vishnu. So this is one of the possible causes of what happened.
Shivangi, please ensure that we carry this with a proviso. I am not saying that this is what caused it. That's why I said this is a proviso, and it could be possible what this lawyer was irked with. It could either be this incident or it could be any other incident. He's taken in for questioning. Let's not draw conclusions and say it's this incident. We are possibly saying it could happen, but we're telling the viewers of Republic we're not going to be coming out to any drawing of conclusions and saying that something that was said a few weeks earlier by the Chief Justice could have possibly related to this. It could have been any other case that the lawyer was doing that could have led to such comments. So we're going to keep our personal bias on what was said by him or what is being stated on the social media, because social media has already gone into hyper mode by stating that he said this and he said that, and lawyers are reportedly that I'm speaking to saying he's tried to say this, he shouted slogans against the Chief Justice.